Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over TMA Coin. What is TMA Coin? It's a new cryptocurrency that uses a distributed ledger. What is a distributed ledger? That means blockchains are stored in different locations on the network known as shards. This is different than current cryptocurrencies which store all their blockchains in one location or database. What are some of the advantages of a distributed network? Well, because the application doesn't have to manage all the blockchains, it means it's going to use less resources, it's going to be more scalable for future functionality, and transactions are going to go faster, making the network more efficient. This opens the door to endless opportunities such as messaging, electronic documents, gaming, even storing vote counts. What are you looking at right now is the TMA Coin GUI that sits on top of the TMA Coin application. And as you can see in the bottom left corner, we are mining a block. If we do mine a block, we will get a reward and you will see an icon of coins and it will make a chime noise. I'll go over that in just one second. These buttons here allow the user to interact with the TMA Coin applications. Some of these buttons include payment sent, import and export keys. Basically you have a public and private key. We'll go over that during the installation video. You have payments pending. That means after you send a payment you want to know if the person received it or not. You have the current address, which is your current address right here. You have your total number of coins, which you have right here, and you have the number of transactions or payments you received. You can stop mining, you can change the passphrase, and of course you can exit the application. Let's bring up our typical report. So we'll bring up the payments pending report. Okay, in the payments pending report you'll see the transaction description, you'll see the date settled, you'll see if there's any transaction fee, you'll see the number of coins that you sent, you'll see the receiver, and this is your address. The transaction description, we'll go over that in just a second when we send some money or a transaction. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and send money. So for security purposes, it is going to prompt you for your passphrase. And so I just entered my passphrase. A dialog box will come up. You're going to select the sender, which is the address of this instance. You'll send the address of the receiver, you'll send the number of coins, and you'll put a fee if you want, and we're going to put a description. I'm going to say this is demo video 1. Video. If I can spell. There you go. And we're going to go ahead and push the button. You can also cancel, so let's push the button. Another dialog box will pop up validating the transaction parameters. So the sender is going to be this instance, which is this address. The receiver is going to be this address. It's more or less an address that somebody gave you to send them the coin or money or whatever you're going to send them. This is the coins. This would be a transaction fee, and this is the transaction description, which is nice. If you do send a lot of payments, you'll be able to see a description of the transaction. So you can edit it if you want, you can change it, or you can submit it, or you can cancel. In this particular instance, let's go ahead and submit it. So now it's going through the TMA Coin network to see if the person has received it. You can go to payments pending, and it's still going through the network. You can see our transaction description, which is a demo video 1. The status is pending. The date sent is today with a timestamp. The amount, the receiver is going to be the person that you send it to, and the sender is going to be the address, which was me or this instance. So that's it. And if you want to start mining right now and not wait for the installation video, you can go to GitHub, and let me bring up that address. Hold on. Here is the address in GitHub. When you go there, you just hit that green button on GitHub to download. You unzip and read the README file, and you can set up the installation, and you can start mining after entering a passphrase. Now, if you start the application for the first time, it's going to start downloading the blockchains from zero. We have a shortcut and we have a database already with a bunch of blockchains. You can go here and get a database which has 90% of the blockchains, but we'll go over more of that in the installation video. If you have any questions, we do have a forum set up called TMA Coin Community. Just register, and there's 3 different topics out there: setup, features, and general discussion. Just post your question in one of these, and it is viewed on a 24-hour basis, and your question will be responded. So that's it for right now. Now I'm going to go over the installation video, and happy mining. And one last note that now is a great opportunity to get into TMA Coin. It's the reward count is like 115, and so probably in 1 week you can accumulate probably close to 500 or 1,000 coins. Now, given all this functionality, it's got a few more advantages over Bitcoin, which I think right now is at $3,000. So just think of the potential there is by mining right now before this becomes popular and the coin becomes valuable. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you do mine a coin. That's right, I was going to go over that, so hold on for a second. So this is what it looks like when you mine a coin. You get a little icon of money there, and it will sound something like this. I don't know if you heard that, but it's a chime and it sounds like money dropping. I'll do it again, and here it goes. Okay, and that's it. And thank you for watching this video, and happy mining. Bye bye.